Hey there guys, I just want to make this quick video for you. If you own the Frigidaire or Frigidaire refrigerator and you got a 5Y-EF error, this is a problem with the evaporator fan circuit, as you can see right here. I'll just post it right here. So what you need to do is unplug the refrigerator, remove any shelves and drawers to actually get to the access to the back panel, unscrew, and also you want to remove the back panel. When you're gonna look here and you want to just like take it out and you want to inspect the fan for any visible obstructions like ice buildup or debris. And with the back panel, check if the fan is spinning. If it's not, you may need to replace it. You want to also inspect the wiring and connections, and maybe it's going to help to actually fix the issue and check it out. So actually check this out on how you can possibly see the evaporator fan circuit and if there is something issue with it. So thank you and have a great day and goodbye.